All right, good morning, good morning. Today we're going to be working on lesson 10.4, and we are going to identify, name, and describe cylinders. All right, and we're starting on page 425. Okay, so for the top page, the front page, I decided to go ahead and draw the shapes. Because I noticed a lot of you guys are still drawing the shapes, and that's fine. I think it's a great idea, but I want to show you how I draw my 3D shapes. So I have my cylinder on this side, I have my cube, cone, and then I have my sphere. All right. If you want to continue drawing the shapes, that is totally fine. But remember, I'm not grading the top page. But it says, place cylinders on this side and then draw shapes that are not cylinders on the other side. I'm going to speed through this so I can upload it quick. All right. So, number 1 with the apple. It says, look at the cylinder. Circle the words that describe a cylinder. All right. So, this is our cylinder here. And I have my 3D model of the cylinder. If you take a look at it, does the cylinder have a flat surface or does it have a curved surface? So, when it's standing, it does have a flat surface. Remember, we talked about how cylinders can stack, and I think I have one more cylinder to show you that, yes, they can stack on top of each other. Now, does the cylinder have a curved surface? It does. If you turn it onto the side, it rolls. Whoop. So, for this page, you're going to circle flat and curved surface. Number 2. It says, use a cylinder to count how many flat surfaces. All right, so I'm going to bring up the skinny cylinder since it's kind of similar to the one in the picture. So it says, count the flat surfaces. So we already said that when it's standing on a flat surface. So the bottom is 1. Uh-oh, it's Maldonado. So the bottom is 1, and then at the top, it has another flat surface. So number 2, the number 2 would go right there. All right, this page is pretty easy. It says identify the objects that are shaped like a cylinder. And on this page, I see 3 cylinders on this page. And they want you to put an X on the objects that are shaped like a cylinder. Now, one of those cylinders is laying down. So make sure you pay close attention to the one that is laying down. But there's 3, 1 on each row, that is shaped like a cylinder. Pancake flip to the back. Top portion, number 1, it says I have 2 flat surfaces. Which shape am I? Put an X on it. Pretty simple to me. I hope you guys know which one it is. And then number 2, draw to show what you know about a real life object that is shaped like a cylinder. And like I said, you can always go back to this page and pick one of the objects that is shaped like a cylinder and draw it for number 2. All right, let me know if you have any questions. Again, the front page, I'm not going to grade page 425, so you don't have to submit that. If you want to draw the shapes, you are more than welcome to, but it is not mandatory. I'm going to be grading pages 426, 427, and 428. All right, thank you.